In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track issues in Jira. If you want to manage tasks, bugs, and project progress effectively, this is one of the most important skills you need. Even if you're a complete beginner, this guide will help you understand everything step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Jira account and open your project. In Jira, everything is treated as an issue. This can be a task, a bug, or a user story. All of these are managed in one place to keep your work organized. Next, go to your project board or backlog where all issues are displayed. To create a new issue, click the Create button. A form will open where you can enter important details like the title, description, priority, and assignee. Once you create the issue, it will appear on your board or in your backlog depending on your setup. Now, to track issues effectively, Jira uses workflows. These usually include statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. As work moves forward, you simply drag and update issues from one status to another. This gives you a clear visual view of what is pending, what is being worked on, and what is completed. You should also assign each issue to a team member. This helps improve accountability so everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. Adding due dates is also very important because it helps you keep track of deadlines and avoid delays. Another useful feature is activity tracking. If you open any issue, you can see its full history, including comments, updates, and changes. This helps you understand what has happened over time without confusion. For faster navigation, you can also use filters and search. You can filter issues by status, priority, assignee, or even keywords. This is especially helpful when working on large projects with many tasks. Dashboards are another powerful tool. You can create a dashboard and add gadgets like Assign to Me or filter reports so you can monitor everything in one place. Finally, make sure you regularly update issues and communicate with your team using comments and mentions. This keeps everyone aligned and ensures smooth collaboration. And that's it. Tracking issues in Jira is all about creating tasks, updating their progress, assigning responsibility, and using filters and dashboards to stay organized. Now that you understand the process, start applying it to your projects and keep everything under control. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.